Sir, speak to endorsement ni Sir Governor Garcia.
Well, malaking bagay ito. As you know, wala tayo sa admin, pero at dahil dyan, wala tayong malaking makinarya. Pero ngayon at in-endorse tayo dito ni Governor Gwen. Una, maraming salamat. Daghang salamat, Gwen, for your support. Malaking bagay. Pinakamalaking voting province ng Cebu. So we hope to be able to win big here with her support. And siyempre, sa ating mga Cebuanons, our gihigupa na Cebuanons, we thank you for the support. We were number 1 here in 2007. Medyo matagal ng panahon yun, pero reminder lang, sabi ko nga, katakagang nung number 1 tayo, sabi ko, intelligent voters talaga ang mga Cebuano. And I know with her support, with the endorsement of One Cebu, we will get more votes here. And dagang salamat.
Were you expecting the endorsement, sir?
It was a surprise. I was hoping for it. And when it came, in fact, pagdating ko, meron pala silang meeting sa 5th and 6th district leaders. And they asked if I could attend, and Gwen said sure. And then sina Congressman Lagon, Daphne and Sunny, as well as Congressman Jude Vasco was also there. So 5th, 6th district party list, malaking penalat, maraming mayor at siyempre mga barangay captain. So malaking bagay. Dagan salamat.
Thank you!
Thank you.